Welcome back to the TECfusions channel. If you're celebrating Labor Day, you should know it is more than just about barbecues, selfies, and beach trips. Labor Day is a time for us to honor the contributions of American workers and reflect on the strides we've made over many years. The history of industrialism encapsulates the American spirit with icons like Henry Ford, the genius behind Ford Motor Company, who was more than just an innovator in the world of automobiles. He was a pioneer in recognizing the needs of his staff members, who revolutionized the labor market of his time. Doubling daily wages and reducing workday shifts were fundamental to the ways he approached staff, believing that happy, well-paid personnel, with well-deserved time off to spend with their families, would ultimately be more productive, bettering not only the company but the broader economy as a whole. The vision of a great leader can extend far beyond their immediate reach and has the potential to spring movements that last generations. In the spirit of leading industrialists who have driven technological and social advancements for society's betterment, we still celebrate the positive impact of their visions. Their efforts laid the foundations for the multiple rights and benefits we enjoy today. Since the dawn of industry, the dedication of laborers to achieving the goals and dreams of these great visionaries has been instrumental. In 1894, President Grover Cleveland signed a bill making Labor Day a national holiday, recognizing the contributions and sacrifices of American workers. Here's to celebrating the spirit of hard work, dedication to great vision, and the people who have put their talents to great use to build our country into the land it is today. We hope Labor Day is a time for you to rest and reflect on all you have accomplished and all you wish yet to do. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Have a fantastic Labor Day.